Hello students, we will be doing class 10 general maths exercise 6.3 question number 14. So let's do the solution. Okay students, we will be doing exercise 6.3 question number 14. So here is the question, and this question consists of two triangles here, that is ABC and PQR. Here median is given in the question AD of ABC. That means the median will bisect the BC into two halves, that is BD is equal to CD. Median will make BD is equal to CD. So here PQR also, PM is a median, so QM and QMR will be equal. So we can write in this triangle BC is equal to twice of BD, okay, and then after BC is equal to twice of CD, or we can say BD is half of BC and CD is half of BC. Here also same thing will be there. Using the median PM, we can write QR is equal to double of QM or twice of QM, and QR is equal to twice of MR. Okay, so this is the thing of the median, what median does in a triangle. Okay, so what is given here in the question, that AB by PQ, then after AC by PR, this one, if I mark here AB by PQ, AC by PR, and then after AD, the median AD by PM are proportional. And using these things, we need to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this type of question I think you have done in question number 12 of this exercise. So there, don't be confused in both the things. Okay, we will be doing differently here in question number 14. In question number 12, BC was given as a proportion, BC by QR. Okay, in question number 12. So using these things, the property of median, we have solved. So you can see my earlier video, there I have solved this question number 12. Okay, so there, using the BC and QR, we have found these two triangles as a similar, and then after using one angle of between both this triangle, we have shown the similarity criteria using the AA criteria in question number 12. But here, instead of BC, they have given AD. Oh, sorry, they have given AC and PR. So we cannot use in the starting point the median, the property of median here. Just we have as we have done in question number 12. So you can go through that question number 12 and question number 14 we will be doing now. It is a little bit different than question number 12. Okay, there you can differentiate between question number 12 and 14 by looking the given part. Okay, there it was given BC by QR was proportion, but instead of BC and QR in this question, AC and PR is proportion. Okay, so what we will do here, we will write here to prove triangle ABC should be similar to triangle PQR. Okay, here what we will do some of the construction, some needful construction for solving this question we will do here. So I will take another mark here. So what we will do the construction AD, and then after AD is equal to DE. Such type of construction I can make, and then after we can join CE. Okay, you can do here also in this part. Okay, instead of CE you can join this also. Okay, in the latter part I will be telling you we can join this also, and for this also some result will be coming out. So now I will join this one, and from here I will draw N, so that PM will be equal to MN. Okay, so now what we have drawn in triangle ABC, we have drawn AD is equal to D. I will not use many statements here. Directly we can write construction what we have drawn. AD is equal to DE and join CE. Okay, next in the other triangle I have drawn PM is equal to MN, and then after I have joined NR. Okay, now what we will do, we will be showing these two triangle as a congruent. If you know congruent criteria, so we can start the proof. So in triangle ABD and triangle CDE, what are the things will be equal from these two triangle? One will be this two angle ADB will be equal to angle CDE. What we can write here? Vertically opposite angle. Okay, I have written in short form. You can write in the full length. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, next what we can write? This one BD and CD, they will be equal, as I have told earlier in the beginning of this question. Okay, this AD will bisect the third side, that is BC, into two halves, that is BD is equal to CD. So here we can write BD is equal to CD. Why? Because AD is median to BC. Okay, any line you can join that shows the meaning that AD is the median of BC. Then after the third thing that we can show that equal this one AD and DE by construction. Okay, AD is equal to DE by, here you can write constructed. Okay, so therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDE by which rule? We have shown two sides equal and one angle equal, so we can write as criteria. So using this one, what we can show by using CPCT, I can show AB is equal to CE. Therefore AB is equal to CE. Here we can write CPCT. Okay, so similarly in this triangle also we can show this angle, this triangle and this triangle as a congruent. So again in triangle PQM and triangle RMN. So what are the things equal? We can take the same thing, this one and this one. Then after PM and MN we have drawn constructed, and then after QM will be equal to MR due to the median PM that will bisect the QR. Okay, I'm writing here PMQ will be equal to angle RMN, and then after PM is equal to MN, and the last thing we can take QM is equal to MR. Here we can write PM is the median of QR. Okay, then after PM and MN was equal due to construction, and then after this one, vertically opposite angle. Okay, so I will be using only this paper so that it could be easy for you to understand from the diagram. If I move on to the next page, so diagram will be not there, so again I have to make the diagram once again. So I'm adding here. If you thoroughly go through the video, you can be able to know that after here this one. Okay, so here we can write, therefore triangle with triangle we have taken PQM will be congruent to triangle MRMN. I have taken RMN, that's why I have written this one, otherwise it could be MRN also. Okay, here we can write the criteria for their congruency as AS. We have taken two sides and one angle here. Okay, two sides, one angle, that's why we have taken the criteria of SAS. Okay, so next we can write, therefore using the CPCT, PQ is equal to NR. Here we can write CPCT. You know already the full form, you have got in class 9 nicely there, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Then after, now we will take the given part. What was the given part here? AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, then after equal to AD by PM. So what changes we can do here after finding these things? So in place of AB, what we can write? CE. So in place of AB I have written CE, and in place of PQ I can write NR equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. Okay, so next, so see here, what are the things coming out of which triangle? These are the things which comes CE by NR, then after AC PR, then after AD by PM. Okay, so I can write here CE by NR is equal to, if I use here twice of AC, not AC, here AC will be remain same, AC by PR equal to, in place of AD I can write here, if I make twice of AD here, twice of AD and twice of PM. So what we can write, our next step will be CE by NR equal to AC by PR, that will be equal to twice of AD. This AD and DE was already equal, so I can directly write twice of AD will be AE by PN, twice of PM will be PN. So now we can see here what are the things proportion here and of which triangle they are proportion. CE by NR, then after I can use the another sketch, CE by NR, then after AC by PR, then after AE, this whole line that is equal to PN. So what we can write here, triangle ACE is similar to triangle PNR. Okay, ACE and PNR are similar by which criteria? By SSS criterion. They are similar. Okay, and using this similarity criteria, what we can use here, we can use the angle, any one angle we can use here. That angle will be, which angle? This angle we can use as equal due to the similarity criteria. I have taken angle EAC is equal to angle NPR. Here we can write corresponding angle of similar triangles will be equal. Okay, so similarly, what I can write from this part, this angle will also be equal to this angle. Why? Because if I draw the line here, if I join BE and QN and do the same thing whatever we have done till now, we can write this angle and this angle, it will also be equal. So similarly, we can write BAD or BAE, anything you can write, is equal to angle QPM. Okay, it will also be same. Corresponding parts of similar triangles will be equal. Now what I will do, therefore, if I take this one as 1 and this one as 2, so adding 1 and 2, what we will get, if I add EAC and BAD, what I will get the full angle BAC. That means angle A we will get, and then after adding QPM and then after NP it will be R. Okay, NPR. So we are also getting a full angle, that is angle P. Okay, now we will come to the main part that we need to show similar, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR should be similar. So how we can show them similar? Now from the given part, if I take AB and PQ of ABC triangle and PQR triangle, and then after AC by PR of triangle ABC and PQR, we are getting two sides that are proportions. And taking this one, angle A is equal to angle P, so we can be able to tell that these two triangles are similar. So we will write in the next page. So therefore, in triangle, which triangle? ABC and triangle PQR. So here we can take the given part. What was the given part? AB by PQ and AC by PR. We will take from both the triangles. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Okay, AB by PQ and AC by PR we have taken from both the triangles ABC and PQR, and the last thing that we will take as angle A is equal to angle P. Equal to angle P. So using these two things, it was already given, and this one we have proved. Okay, so therefore we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By which criteria? By SAS criterion. Two sides we have shown proportional and one angle we have shown equal. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 14. I hope you have understand it. Okay, thank you.